Yeah, many people were disappointed by this ruling that came down earlier today. It is a bit of a complex issue, but ultimately it was Wesley Hatzel who wanted a new trial. Wesley Hatzel's on trial accused of murdering his adopted stepdaughter, Angelica Hatzel, who loved ones called AJ. Yesterday, her mom took the stand to testify. She said in open court that she met Wesley at a bar and the two of them got married a few weeks later because he was on probation and they could only live together if they were married.
Then Wesley sort of realized that parts of his criminal record would come out. He felt uncomfortable about that.
Wesley's defense attorney, Jimmy Ellenson, explains there was a stipulation between the defense and the prosecution about what evidence was going to be allowed in court.
Media interviews and statements that he made not to law enforcement would be admissible in return for us being able to admit any of AJ's phone calls, any of AJ's collages, anything that she had on her cell phone.
But he says Wesley changed his mind about the agreement once he heard testimony from AJ's mother.
He changed his mind. That's all. It's his right. He changed his mind sort of at the last second. And I don't know that the light bulb went off completely until he heard Jennifer testify.
Wesley's defense attorney reacts to the decision.
I think we're all disappointed. I think everybody's disappointed.
We also spoke to some of the jurors who were released toay.
It was a shocker. I'm like, what, the world changed so fast, you know?
I like to see things through. I like to know the answers. I wanted to be part of this. You know, I don't know whether he's guilty or innocent, but he's innocent until proven guilty.
The prosecution alleges that Wesley killed AJ back in 2015. She went missing while at home in Norfolk on spring break from Longwood University and was discovered behind an abandoned house 5 weeks later. Yes, and on Friday, there is another hearing that is scheduled for all parties involved where they're supposed to talk about a new trial date. The defense attorney told us there was possible talk of it happening in November. However, an exact date has not been set. Live in Southampton County, I'm Margaret Kavanaugh, News 3.